Alright, after saying something, I was thinking about it and decided to do a little reading and testing with a probe and checking ohm resistance on circuits, and decided, you know what, let me just go see. And plugged in the instrument cluster here. And let me put the phone back up on the tripod. Because I found one of my little jumpers, just a piece of wire with the end stripped off of it and twisted real tight. We have power. Flashing low coolant temp, which is normal. Showing a 3 right there on the, is that 2? I'm not sure what that is. Showing 42,260 kilometers. And it's set for kilometers an hour. It does show it is in neutral, which it is, so that's good. Holy crap. Might be a little low on fuel. Holy crap. It powered up. Let's see. Maybe we have to have the clutch, your clutch and choke. Do we have a clutch safety switch? I have no idea how to start one of these things, if there's some kind of special miles per hour. Hey, we just switched it to miles per hour. Not sure what that's doing, but something. Sweeps the gauge up, alright. Alright, now we're set to miles per hour, miles, and she's got 26,258 miles on the clock. How about them apples? Well, that's just a clock. I guess that's just a clock. Battery. Wow. Showing battery voltage crazy high. 19.4 volts. Huh. Alright, so maybe I'm missing something on how to get one of these started. I don't know. Maybe I'm only activating half the circuit. But at least this thing powers up and does stuff. And I know how many miles are on it for sure. How about them apples? 26,258 miles. How about that? I wonder if we are missing the clutch safety switch, if it's got one. Maybe that's why it won't spin over, I don't know. But again, I'm only hooked up on one of the ignition circuits there, so But hey, we know we have dash power.